Aerobics. Hey there. Welcome to our video on aerobics, a fun and energizing form of physical exercise that combines cardio, stretching, and strength training routines to help you improve all aspects of your fitness. Whether you're just starting out or you're a fitness pro, aerobics is a great way to get your heart pumping, build strength, and feel amazing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is aerobics? Well, the term aerobics was coined back in the 1960s by Dr. Kenneth H. Cooper, who wrote a book called Aerobics, detailing the benefits of a regular cardiovascular exercise program. In his book, Dr. Cooper explained how regular aerobic exercise can improve cardiovascular fitness, promote weight loss, and improve overall health and well-being. So, what counts as aerobic exercise? Essentially, it's any continuous activity that uses large muscle groups and gets your heart rate up to a safe and effective level for improving cardiovascular fitness. Some examples include walking, jogging, running, cycling, swimming, and dancing. And the best part? You can do these activities at a variety of intensities to match your fitness level and goals. But you don't have to go it alone. Aerobic exercise can be done solo or in a group setting, and many people find that group aerobics classes provide a great source of motivation, social support, and structure. Plus, these classes are usually led by a trained instructor who can demonstrate the exercises and provide modifications for different fitness levels. There are so many types of aerobics classes to choose from, including low impact, high impact, step aerobics, kickboxing, and dance-based classes like Zumba. No matter what your preference, there's something for everyone. Low-impact classes are great for beginners or those with joint issues, while high-impact classes are more vigorous and perfect for those who are more fit. Step aerobics uses a raised platform, or step, to perform exercises, and kickboxing combines boxing and martial arts with aerobic exercise. And if you love to dance, you'll love Zumba, a popular class that combines Latin and international music and dance styles. But the benefits of aerobics go beyond just improving physical fitness. Regular participation in aerobics can also help reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Plus, it can improve mental health, reduce stress and anxiety, and boost mood and self-esteem. Talk about a win-win. So, if you're ready to get moving and experience all the amazing benefits of aerobics, here are a few tips to get you started. Consult with a healthcare professional or certified personal trainer to determine the right intensity and frequency of your workouts. Don't forget to warm up before exercising and cool down and stretch afterwards to prevent injury. Wear appropriate clothing and footwear to ensure a safe and effective workout. We hope this video has inspired you to give aerobics a try and see how it can help you feel your best. Remember, fitness is all about having fun and feeling great, so find an activity you love and get moving. Thanks for watching.